Why keeping your room clean matters. Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we talk about something very simple, but very important. Why keeping your room clean matters. Look around your room right now. Is it clean or is it messy? Many people think a messy room is not a big problem, but in this video we will show you why a clean room can change your life in a big way. Your room is a mirror of your mind. Have you ever noticed this? When your room is messy, your mind often feels messy too. But when your room is clean and organized, your mind feels calm, peaceful, and ready to focus. This is not magic. It is something that many people experience every day. Your eyes are always looking around your room, even when you do not realize it. Every object you see sends information to your brain. If you see clothes on the floor, books scattered everywhere, empty bottles on your desk, and a bed that is not made, your brain feels that something is unfinished. It quietly reminds you that there are many things waiting to be cleaned or organized. Because of this, your brain can start to feel stressed. It may think, there is so much to do. Even if you are trying to study, work, or relax, part of your attention is still on the mess around you. This small stress can stay with you all day. Over time, it may make you feel tired, distracted, or less motivated to finish important tasks. Now imagine the opposite. You walk into a room where everything is in its place. Your bed is neatly made. Your desk is clean. Your books are organized, and the floor is clear. Your eyes immediately see order instead of chaos. Your brain no longer has to deal with so many distractions. Instead, it can focus on what really matters. A clean room also creates a peaceful feeling. You can think more clearly, study more effectively, and enjoy your free time without feeling guilty about the mess. Many people even find that they sleep better in a clean bedroom because the environment feels comfortable and relaxing. In many ways, your room is like a mirror. It often reflects what is happening inside your mind. When life feels busy and overwhelming, your room may become messy. But the good news is that cleaning your room can also help you feel more in control. As you put each item back in its place, your thoughts may begin to feel more organized too. Sometimes, cleaning your room is not just about making your space look nice. It is also a simple way to bring more peace, focus, and balance into your everyday life. A clean room saves you time. Do you want to save more time every day? A clean room can help you do this. Think about this simple example. You wake up. You need to find your keys, but your room is messy. You look under the bed, you look in your bag, you look on the desk. 10 minutes pass. You are late. Now think about a clean room. Your keys are always in the same place. You find them in 5 seconds. You save time every single day. Over 1 month, this saved time becomes hours. Over 1 year, it becomes days. A clean room is not just about beauty. It is about efficiency. Efficiency means doing things in a smart, fast way. A clean room helps your health. This next point is very important. A messy room is not just ugly, it can also make you sick. Dust collects on messy floors and messy surfaces. Old food attracts insects and bacteria. Dirty clothes on the floor can create bad smells and mold. Mold is a type of fungus that grows in wet, dirty places, and it can hurt your lungs. When you clean your room often, you remove dust, dirt, and bacteria. You breathe cleaner air. You sleep better at night. Good sleep gives you more energy for the next day. So, a clean room is not only for your eyes, it is a gift for your body too. A clean room builds good habits. Maybe you are thinking, I am busy. I don't have time to clean. We understand this feeling. Life is busy for everyone. But let us ask you a question. Do you want to build strong, good habits for your future? Cleaning your room is a small habit, but small habits build big character. When you clean your room every day, you learn discipline. Discipline means doing the right thing, even when you don't feel like it. This discipline does not stay only in your room. It moves into other parts of your life. Students who keep clean rooms often keep clean notebooks too. Workers who keep clean desks often finish tasks faster. The habit of order helps every part of your life. What about your excuses? Maybe you are saying, "But cleaning takes too long." This is a common excuse, but it is not true. You don't need one big cleaning day. You can clean for just 5 minutes every day. 5 minutes to make your bed, 5 minutes to put clothes in the closet, 5 minutes to clear your desk. This is not hard. Anyone can find 5 minutes. Maybe you are saying, "I like my mess. I know where everything is." This might feel true at first, but real studies show that messy spaces make it harder to focus, even if you think you know where things are. A clean space always helps your brain work better. A simple story. Let us tell you a short story. Imagine 2 students, Anna and Tom. Anna keeps her room clean, Tom keeps his room messy. Every morning, Anna wakes up, sees her clean desk, and feels ready for the day. She finds her books fast. She goes to school on time. She feels calm during her exams because her mind is clear. Every morning, Tom wakes up and sees clothes and papers everywhere. He cannot find his homework. He feels stressed before school even starts. His messy room follows him into his messy day. Which student do you want to be? The choice is simple, and the choice is yours. Your call to action. Now it is your turn. You don't need to clean your whole room today. Just choose one small thing. Maybe it is your bed. Maybe it is your desk. Maybe it is just one corner of the floor. Do this one small thing today. Tomorrow, do one more small thing. Small steps become big changes. Soon, your whole room will be clean. And soon, your mind will feel clean too. Conclusion. A clean room is more than just a tidy space. It brings peace to your mind, saves your time, protects your health, and builds strong habits for your future. The good news is that you do not need to clean everything today. Start with one small task. Make your bed, put your clothes away, or clean your desk. Just a few minutes each day can make a big difference over time. Remember, every good habit starts with one small action. As your room becomes cleaner, you may also notice that your mind feels calmer and your daily life becomes more organized. So, why not begin today? Choose one small area, spend just 5 minutes cleaning it, and see how much better you feel. One small step today can lead to big changes tomorrow. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment and tell us, what is the first thing you will clean today? And don't forget to subscribe for more simple videos like this one. Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye, and see you next time.